But how do you benefit in MMM? And how can you benefit? Because if you have heard about MMM and you've been taught those good teachings of the everyday, yet you are not acting, then something is wrong. I know there are a number of people who are new. No wonder we gave that opportunity so that we can get some introduction. We cannot just assume that people are already old people. Probably next time we'll have a class for 2 people. We will have workshops very soon so that people, members who are already registered, they've been in the system for some months, we want to really give them some technical training so that people can grasp the whole idea and they can take it running. You see, they can register themselves, they can help themselves in the system, they can know how to participate, how to ask for help, how to get help, how to PH. In MMM, there's what we call a language called PH and PH. If you are a member, these languages will be part of MMM. So, if you are a member of MMM, these wordings, all these initials, they will be very part and parcel of your life as you are in MMM. Because every time you are PHing or providing help, and after you have provided help, and your points they are matured, you are getting what we call you are getting help. There is a concept whereby after the videos I will touch on it briefly. Yeah, because many times when people are taught about MMM, they mistake MMM with a business or a hype or what we call a bank or an investment. Depending on how you take it, me I take it as an investment. So I will invest my time and money in it. If you are also taking it as an investment, you invest your time and money in MMM. But you better understand that it is just a peer-to-peer program, a global financial donation program for peer-to-peer. You see, it is a place where people donate their finances to help others, ordinary members. You know, in many years back in 1989, Mabrudi Sergei, a gifted mathematician from Russia, he saw the need which was there. This was triggered by poor economic situation which was in Russia, especially in the year 1989, coming to them in 1994. There was a lot of economic crisis and turmoil in Russia. If you happen to know and learn deep about MMM, you will have an opportunity to watch a very wonderful film. It is called The Pyramid. It is a film whereby it was showing what was happening in Russia in those years back, whereby the barons and the capitalists who were in that system, they looked at the economy and they were siphoning economist money out of that country. They were investing in other countries and they were leaving the helpless people poor and they were unable to make the ends meet. This is the point. That point in time is when Mabrudi had this idea, because him being a banker, and even today he has banks in Russia and other parts of the world, he thought of bringing in something which can revolutionize the life of the ordinary people, to make their financial life better and to make them make the ends meet. So MMM is a program which was created out of distress and out of need. You see. So what did Mabrudi thought about when he was creating this program? You know, many times, let's not go for copycats. Today you are seeing all over places. I've just removed some people from my Facebook pages because they were trying to advertise the so-called the other programs. There are other hypes. Those are hypes, I call them so. But hypes, there is what a hype will do to you. Maybe Kenyans and people in Nigeria have not learned. We want hypes. Pahali unaweka pesa kidogo and within 1 week, 100% of it is there. You see? These ones, they diminish very fast because they don't have a background, they don't have an ideology, they don't have a reason why they were formed. Somebody sat down in their office, some Aka or conman, who knows some computer mathematics, and they want to call people of their money. Yeah, so they create a program that it will give you 100%, 200%, some little mathematics, but it does not have a background, it will not go far. In a short while, the government authorities just come and close it down. American government just shoot it down somewhere, and all your monies are lost there. Many people know those sites. They have lost money. But I want just to assure you that MMM is different from all those things. It is a community. The MMM website, which I will show you, the East African one, the South African one, the global one, is just to offer a technical support so that the donation program can continue. Because 200 million are so much people. You cannot now go and start giving each and one of them money in their hands. They are in Russia, they are in Zimbabwe. Some people are just calling me from Zimbabwe, from MMM right now. I just excused myself, went out. I was just having a chat with some people from Zimbabwe, MMM. They needed some help. I have some members there already in Zimbabwe. And so there is a big issue, they need some help there. They want me to go and do a presentation in Zimbabwe. And I told them, I'm still preparing myself. That is a long journey. And maybe I have to go and take 2 months. So I have to assign duties even in Kenya. Because we also have MMM in Nakuru. In Moses, which you know, we have teams in Nakuru, we have managers now in Nakuru. And many of them are also studying for managers class. We have teams in Nairobi. Nairobi is picking up like a burning bushfire right now. Within just the last 2 months, Nairobi is picking up like bushfire. People are bringing each other every day. The halls we are using, they are becoming small, and every time we are using some meeting chambers whereby they are partitioned. If you have people like 30 people, you take one hall. When you need like 60 people, they can open for you the door and remove those partitions. So the people are already removing the partition of 4, 5, 6 halls in just a short time. So let's people endure it. Let us not sleep, but let us also arise that we seize the opportunity. You see, MMM is your type of community. It wants to help. It is so Christian-like. I'm a Christian myself, and I've heard so many people talking about the Lord Jesus Christ in this place, and I'm so much excited. It means like it resonates with the ideals of Christianity. You see? Okay. I was just trying to bring about the ideology. I'm just scratching the surface. Maybe the next meeting we'll talk about ideology and see the serious videos about MMM ideology. And one time, once you get the ideology and the idea, it will never come out to you. But anytime we still don't have an idea, we cannot grasp and we cannot move with MMM. So understand that MMM is a community of people. There are now already 200 members in 118 countries around the world. They cannot be contained in a room like this, like a Chama, or in a small town like Eldoret. They cannot be contained there. That is why there is a mtandao or a website whereby we now interact, and you open an account whereby you will do your transaction of donating to others and also receiving your donation. So you donate to others, your donations will qualify you to also be donated to. If you are just saying that MMM is for free, there is nothing for free in this world. But the fact that it is for free is like this. You as a participant, you must start participating and donating. The amount you donate is what will be accumulated to also give you donation. Though that amount has already gone to some other people, so you have already been told. As you will see a few examples in our system here. So when the donation has gone out, you are waiting for your chance in what we call Mabro's points. Mabro is a currency, internal currency of MMM, whereby the amount of how much you can get donation is counted in Mabros. If it is $1 Mabro, it means you have $1 donation. If it is 100 macros, if it is 100 macros, macro dollars, macro US dollars, it means you just have $100 when you ask from the system. Other members of the system will give you $100. They can be one or two people. I've heard my brother talking about that. But that is just about that. So I want us to see another video. It's just a simple presentation. But it will give you life to show you that MMM is not just a simple community. If somebody is telling you that, they will give you 120%, 100%, and all those crabs. Ask them, where are they doing their meetings? Where are the offices? We already have an office in Nairobi, MMM. We are soon having offices in, depending on how hard you people are working, people like Eldoret. And we are having other offices in Nakuru. We want offices in Mombasa, in Kisumu, and many parts of the country, so that people can also have confidence in this community. We don't just want to be a community which does not have any seriousness. So let's look at what is happening in South Africa. South Africa, it can look colorful. Maybe you can really want it to be like that. It is possible when we all join hands and mobilize people. Together as a team, we form our body. Yeah? We can have our